How do real estate developers make money? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to discuss an exciting topic that has been on the minds of many individuals for quite some time. We're going to be talking about how real estate developers make money. Real estate development is a complex process involving many moving parts, and it's not always clear how developers make a profit. However, by the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of how real estate developers make money. Land acquisition. The first step in any real estate development project is land acquisition. This involves identifying a piece of land that has the potential for development, negotiating the purchase price, and securing financing if necessary. The goal is to buy the land for a price that allows the developer to make a profit when the project is completed. Real estate developers will often conduct extensive research to identify land that is undervalued or has the potential for growth. For example, they might look for land in areas that are undergoing gentrification or that are expected to see significant population growth in the coming years. This can help them buy the land at a lower price and sell it at a higher price once the development is complete. Planning and development. Once the land has been acquired, the next step is planning and development. This involves